Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a cloth and paper unboxing. Ooh, let me zoom out a bit. So I ended up placing 2 orders because I forgot to put stuff in the initial order. And I think we'll start with the newest or the smallest one first. So as y'all know, I added 2 new agendas to my lineup. And so this is to finalize the setup, and I'm really excited to do this with you guys. So let's go ahead and open up this package. So we'll do the haul and then we'll put everything inside of the agendas. So here is what is inside. So my order confirmation, a little to keep envelope, thank you card, and then a planner card, and then my actual order is these 2 tab dividers. So these are both pocket size, since I now have 2 pocket agendas, and thought these would just be good to have in case I want to switch things up. So we have 3 top tab dividers, and then we have the 6 side tab dividers, and I'm really excited to have these. And then I have inserts and more dividers in this next order. So I have a general idea of what I want to do inside the agendas, but really it's gonna be based on this video and what everything looks like inside / how everything fits inside on what we'll actually do. So here is inside the box. And looks like we got double wrapped. All right, so same thing. We have another to keep card or envelope, planner card, order, and then thank you card. And then we have the order. So we have the packing list. If you saw my most recent cloth and paper unboxing, I actually ordered these in the wrong size. So I wanted to have these in the personal size, so purchased this. And then I got this dashboard. My new last name starts with a B, so I really liked this and wanted to add this to one of the pocket setups. I also ordered the capsule wardrobe inserts because I've been wanting to add this to my planner and I haven't figured out how, and I think I'm going to add it into one of the pockets. I tried putting it in my jam at the beginning of the year and I don't think it fits. And so I think one of them is going to be more of like a lifestyle planner, and that's where I plan on putting these in. And then we have 6 blank tab dividers, and this will be used for the finance section in my Louis Vuitton medium ring. So let's go ahead and grab all the planners that we're updating, and then I can show y'all what we're working with. So we have my Louis Vuitton medium ring, my Chanel medium ring, my Louis Vuitton pocket, and then my Chanel pocket. So 3 main planners. Again, really excited to finally make the changes and be able to use these because I haven't really been using the new Chanel agendas as much since I've been waiting on this order. So let's go ahead and start opening some stuff up and reorganizing. Okay, so let's start with the medium rings first because I feel like those are going to be easier since there's less to do and are really just switching out tab dividers. So the Chanel medium ring is going to be my finance agenda. And right now I have these socialite tabs in here, but I want to replace them with these blank tab dividers because I'm using the budget inserts from cloth and paper in here. And then we're going to move the socialite into the personal sized Louis Vuitton agenda. So this agenda now has the blank tab dividers, and so I wanted this just because it makes it easier since there's just different sections in here. So we now have the monthly view under one section, the monthly budget under a second, the 3rd tab is the reoccurring payments, 4th tab is savings challenge, Fifth tab is non-essential spending, and then sixth tab is financial reflections. These are the parts of the budget agenda that I wanted to use. It comes with other ones, but these were the most important. So that is officially set up and good to go. And then for the medium ring, as I've mentioned with the cloth and paper sub box, I have switched to personal size, and then whatever inserts come in here or come with the sub box will be going in here. This upcoming month for March, I did switch to A5 because I saw it was project centric, and that's what my A5 size is. But based on the theme, for the most part, it's going to be personal size inserts. And so we have that, and right now, really, we're just going to be putting this in. I know it's not fun, but just putting in the socialite, and the whatevs / miscellaneous section is the notes section that we currently have. So this is honestly what it's going to look like for now until we get more inserts in with the sub box. So that one is good. And then now we get into the pocket agendas. So the one that I really want to focus on is the Chanel agenda. So the last cloth and paper haul, I purchased a few inserts. So I have new task inserts that I put in here, which are just note inserts. And then I've had these travel inserts. And so I was thinking of making this pocket agenda my travel planner and keeping / reference planner, and keeping my passport in here, which I still am gonna do. But I really think just using this more as a reference for the daily usage is going to be fine. So I'm thinking about just keeping this in here for now. We'll see. I think the biggest changes is going to be this agenda. I really just love how this is set up, and I love these gold tabs. These are from Cloth and Paper as well. But I'm also just thinking maybe if I do the top, I don't know, maybe blank tabs in here, or I'm trying to think of how to best organize this. Maybe swapping out, doing 1/4 of these inserts at a time. And then, so I would keep January, February, March, for example, for this quarter, and then have the 3 blank tabs, and then do the travel inserts in here. Or I've just been thinking about just putting the travel inserts in this agenda all together, since it's more lifestyle focused. And then I could do, this is going to be the cover, and I really like that. And then note section would be last. We have the travel inserts, we do packing list, capsule wardrobe, but I honestly can't think of what else to put. And that's where the top 3 is pretty handy. Maybe I could do, how much room do we have on here? If I took out January and February and just kept the current month, let's experiment. So let's do this. Let's put in here what I know for sure I'm going to put in this one. And you guys, again, I'm just thinking out loud in this video, but I know I for sure want this dashboard in here, and this is going to be the front. Okay, and we'll keep these vellums in here as well. And then I think from here is where it'll get tricky. So let's keep this page lifter back here. And let's do capsule wardrobe. And I just love the pocket size in these. I think these are just so cute, but I think it's just going to be a great little reference lifestyle agenda. So let's do for each season, so do 4 sheets for now, and then maybe just a general capsule, so 5. And then there's a wish list behind, or I'm sorry, a wardrobe inventory behind each. And then with the notes, I want to create a wish list. So you know what, let's just do the 6 in here, and then we can always change it later on. So let's take this, and we'll start with the capsule wardrobe. So we'll do these. And then for the wish list, I want it to have its own tab. So I'll put that after that one, and we'll do 2 sheets just for fun. Or is there, no, there's some in there. So we'll do 2 sheets here for the wish list. And then we can get into travel. So we'll do the travel inserts from Cloth and Paper. Next tab will be the packing lists. And then maybe what I can do is I can store them in here, and then when I'm actually traveling, I can move them into my personal ring and then just take that with. I kind of like that idea. I think I'm running out of room though. I think this is too much for this agenda. So let's do packing list. We have a blank section, and then we have notes. And then we actually might just use this last tab as a page lifter instead, because I think we're out of inserts. Yeah. Okay. So I like that. Yeah, I like that. So we have the new dashboard. Again, I just like that it's my last name. Little quote and vellum from Salty 22. This is discontinued. And then we have the tabs. So we have the capsule wardrobe, wish list, travel inserts, which you can plan like a large trip. Like whenever we do our honeymoon, I'm going to plan that in here. But there's also a section on like places you just want to go, travel inspirations, places you've been, different things like that. So I'll do a video on setting that up. I've done it before in the past when I had these in my medium ring, and that was a lot of fun. So we'll do that. Then we have packing lists, and this will be where I store them, notes, and then for now, this will just be a page lifter. So I like that, and I think this is just a really cute lifestyle planner, and it's gonna be fun to just play around with and really use this also as reference. I think these pocket agendas are primarily gonna be for reference. This one is just gonna be for appointments and travel, and then this one's just gonna be for lifestyle. So I think we're good, and then I don't think we're gonna make any changes in here after all, because although we do have the top tabs, that might be once we travel. Actually, let's do this. I'm sorry if that was loud. Let's start with we have the cover. I have notes in here, so let's do cover. And this is from the Louis Vuitton inserts. We have the first 3 months, and we're gonna do schedule section for the first top tab. We're gonna do a reference. So let's take out these and archive them. And then as y'all can see, it comes with like a little quarterly page. So let's actually put this first. So it's like a cover page. And then we have January. And I'm just gonna keep the first one in here. We have February. Gonna do the same. And then maybe the last as well. And then if I have anything, I'll go back and I'll put references on here as to what happened these months. And then we have current month, which is March, and we'll keep the full month in there. But then we'll remove the remaining months. Actually, I think we can keep them since we took everything else out. Because I did the same thing where it's the cover page and then the note page. So that way I can put in anything that's happening in future months for the upcoming quarter. We'll do a blank section. We'll put packing lists in here. We'll still use the Chanel for storage, but that way this is still somewhat of the travel planner. And then we'll put notes in here. And so I was gonna purchase the daily itinerary inserts from Cloth and Paper, but what I'm gonna do is, just because I already have these Louis Vuitton ones in here already, I'll just put the daily itinerary for traveling in here. So this will be reference / travel inserts. And when we travel, I'll put all the information in here. And the next time we do that and I use this agenda, I'll do it Plan With Me for you guys. But yeah, there's We have a good amount in here, and I think that's going to work out nicely to the point where I can still put in future plans, reference previous plans, but also have the travel section in here as well as a note section. So yeah, I think that is everything. So let's close these up. What I'll do is I'll go through the pages, and whenever there is appointment, just keep those pages in there. And that way it's easy to reference. So I'm just going to quickly do that. All right, so I love that, and that makes it way more functional, and that way you don't have to go back and rewrite everything. So we're good there. And yeah, other than that, that is the setups. I know it's not really too exciting. There's only like a little bit of changes, but I'm really excited for these and to have these all in my collection. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.